Decision making is about resonance. What aligns with you, what aligns with your core values, what you want to do in life. But a lot of times, what happens is that we're hearing constant messages that come from outside our boss, our husband or wife, or our children, or our neighbors. A lot of people have opinions on our decisions. So we become out of touch with what really resonates with us. So, what I do with my clients is something that I call the balance formula. And it's about exploring different perspectives until you find the one that really resonates with you. And when you're in that space of resonance, you're able to look at the decision and really make the choice that is the right one for you.